This bumper has given me about 4 years of complete bad luck. So that's what I think about this. Hold on. Easy go. Yeah, I really don't know what happened here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If I look extra pale, it's because the sun is hitting my face very hard right now. Today I'm in my garage. As you guys can see, there is a complete mess. And the reason why there's a mess, that's Cody, is because I just throw things in here and really don't care about it because my car can't get up this little hill over here. Let me show you. Before winter really hits, I want to kind of fix this area over here. If you guys see, it's like a giant dip into the garage, and getting over even on this side is almost impossible. I usually do like a burnout right here trying to get up, so I need to put this very flat before the winter hits so I can put the car up. But Cody's gonna help me clean today, and Andy is also gonna help me clean today. And yeah. Okay, so this is a cute story. This is Cody's dad's toolbox, and he's not with us anymore, unfortunately. But we have some of his old tools. This is the stud finder.
Because he was a stud.
He did a lot of, he was a really good handyman, and he did a lot of the work in his house by himself. So, you know, we have a bunch of his tools, and they have came very handy in the renovation inside our house. As I'm cleaning out, I'm looking at some of the products that are empty. I really like this Meguiar's wheel cleaner, and it's the ultimate all wheel cleaner, and it looks like this. It was really, really good. It's super empty. There's nothing in here. I liked it a lot. I also live by the Adam Polish's car shampoo. This is their original formula. It comes in blue in this kind of bottle. It's so good. I love it so much. But I also like this 360 Optima wash, and it's also blue, but it's so good and it smells amazing. So these are 3 of my favorite products, and you know, I don't know. I forgot what this is called, but this is like the armrest area where the cup holders go and where the shifter goes. So I have another piece, and the reason why I got another one was because I wanted to experiment to see if I can make some sort of cool covering or something, but I still haven't played around with that yet. That is, I don't know what that is. I got my stock FRS lights right here. I think I'm gonna keep these just in case anything ever happens to my VLANs, only because I like getting shit done to them, and I still haven't done my customization to the VLANs, so I'll keep these just in case I send those out and I need to wear these for a little bit. When I had first gotten my car vinyl wrapped, they left the heat gun right here, and it melted my little trunk piece. I have a Mishimoto radiator over here. A lot of you guys gave me shit in a couple of videos ago that I did showing this off, and I said radiator. I don't know, I just feel like saying radiator, so we're gonna say radiator. Yeah. So I still have to install this. I also want to give a tune on my car. Do we need this hat?
What hat?
Eskimo time.
Yeah. I need that hat.
I found a hat.
No.
Shit.
How did you open it?
I opened all the sockets. That wasn't very smart. I messed up. They just all fell out. Let's see.
That's because you opened them up. Like
That's a 1. I think they all fell out on the right. 7.5. Like 16 goes right here. Let's see. This is a 5x8. It goes right here. Choose this. There. Cody took some great photos back in the day, and he printed them out in this like very hard kind of cardboard paper or whatever, and This is not my car, but this is a picture of AFRS and a random picture of the beach, which I don't know what we're gonna do with these, but maybe we'll hang them up when we're finished with the house. This is one of my favorites. This is his tail light in the winter. It looks pretty dope, and it's in a canvas. He also has this BMW. We got a lot of pictures, guys. I got my Harbor Freight polisher that I bought not too long ago, so I don't know why it's just sitting here, honestly. I'm gonna have to put this on the table and protect it because it's actually pretty good.
Picture frame. Oh, these things are cool. I like it. Oh yeah.
It's a cactus, Sarah. This is so you. I'm gonna save this so when you come, I'm gonna leave this in the guest bedroom just so you can feel at home.
Carbon fiber APR piece that I have that got ruined in shipping.
No.
Yo, if anyone knows how to fix this, let us know in the comments below. Like if anyone knows a shop in New Jersey or anything.
That's crazy. That is like a deep.
Yeah.
That's a deep scratch. What's this part for, babe?
It goes pretty much like you have like your engine bay, right? And it's like a kind of like a cover for the radiator and the intercooler, kind of. At least that's what they have it as, like in on parts. It's like a radiator cover.
Honestly, it doesn't look so bad, but I understand. I wouldn't want to put that on my car because it's kind of broken.
But it's not just like the clear coat cracked, like
it's underneath. Oh, I see.
Thing cracked.
I see. I don't know if that's actually fixable,
And here's why it can't be replaced. So I ordered this part, and stupid me, unfortunately, got the box in, and I did not open it for like 6 months. So when I opened it up, boom, I see that's there, and then I call APR, and they're like, sorry, like you had to have like called us like within a month or whatever to get a replacement. So $400 down the drain.
damn. Got Cody's intercooler, his intake, and
Intercooler piping.
and his piping over there for the intercooler. So these are all his stock parts that he had on the Evo, and now he's changed all of that. So yeah. Yo, I'm afraid that I'll find a spider in here because I'll deadass square up with it. We got Cody's motor mounts that need to be installed. That would make for a good video. So we just found this piece and it says airlift on it. I don't know what it is, guys, but it has a line there, and I'm assuming it's for my setup, obviously, but I don't know what it is. So leave me a comment down below if you know what this doodad thingy does. We got my old bumper.
Yeah, this is tough to see.
What is that?
It's a vacuum line from like ready blow off valve that I lost.
What?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
I had it in the car, and then it was running too rich because it was blowing off into the atmosphere. It wasn't a circulating blow off valve. And then so I took it off, put the stop one back in, and then I was like, I put it all in a box. But then when I moved to Randolph with you, I lost it.
Bad luck.
Yeah.
Damn.
$300.
Cody just, his life changed when he met me, so.
I lost all my parts.
This bumper has given me about 4 years of complete bad luck. So that's what I think about this. Hold on.
No.
I had no luck with splitters either. This is another splitter that died. Did not withstand the 86 curse. Let me show you. That thing is completely broken. I have a bunch of toys here that I've been collecting for Toys for Tots, and a bunch of folders and notebooks that I want to donate to some schools in my area. So I collect a lot of these just so I can give back. I'm gonna try to put this in a box and just save it for when we have to do the donations in December. Other two products that I've been using lately a lot is the Meguiar ceramic wax. This works, like it works. Try it on your car when you wash it. Pretty much it works just like ceramic coating. It just beads up all the water, or anything liquid beads up on your car and it drips off your car just like ceramic. But this is without paying that hefty price tag, so I really like this. And I also use the 360 foam all purpose cleaner. all-purpose cleaner, and this smells amazing and does such a good job inside my car. I have fabric and leather inside the car, and this cleans both of them very well. So I really recommend this and the ceramic wax from Meguiar's in 360.
Oh God, no, help me! I can't help. Help!
Okay.
I'm stuck.
Okay, so we're on day 2 of filming. My dog Andy is here. So I didn't film the rest of day 2. I only filmed like a little bit that I incorporated into this video. The reason why I didn't record was because it was taking so long to finish cleaning the garage, and I really wanted to get it done, and we're not even halfway done with the garage. That's how much garbage we have in there. But it's a lot better than it was when we first started filming. So I think for the most part we need to buy more storage bins and actually get a toolbox so we can put all the tools in and organize for real. I think until we get those things, like, it's not gonna be clean or clean enough for me, because I really want to have everything in storage and kind of get rid of a lot of trash. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.